everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show is Peanut Chicken and Noodles. It's show number 289 and it's with carrots and cabbage, and it is going to be a real good meal. Let's start out with the ingredients. Chicken, Mian noodles, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, Sambal, Oelek, peanut butter, cabbage, carrots, and green onions. Cooking this chicken with this lid like this, they are going to be very, very juicy. It's going to be like meat falling off the bone. It's going to be like stewing beef. It is going to be so good, and with all these flavors we have, this is going to be a real good meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.